Power your world anywhere, anytime. Meet the DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Station. A beast of a portable power station designed to keep your gear running no matter where life takes you. From road trips to camping or even sudden outages at home, this powerhouse has got your back with speed, safety, and unstoppable energy. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the DJI Power 1000 Portable Power Station, AC power cable, quick start guide, and user manual. Want to grab the DJI Power 1000 Power Station from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. Smart features. The DJI Power 1000 offers 1,024 watt-hours capacity and 2,200 watts output in a compact design. Recharge to 80% in 50 minutes via AC power source, or use solar and car options. The DJI Power 1000 is a standalone unit. It does not support expansion batteries. Its capacity stays fixed at 1,024 watt-hours. It's perfect for backup, travel, and production needs, with advanced safety and app control for convenience. The DJI Power 1000 delivers a steady 2,200 watts output to run most common household appliances. With 2 AC, 2 USB-C, and 2 USB-A ports, it powers multiple devices and high-demand appliances at once. The DJI Power 1000, with its 1,024 watt-hour capacity, can keep your essentials running for hours. 57 times smartphone charge, 32 times camping light recharges, 55 minutes of coffee machine use, 9 hours of projector power, 19 hours of car refrigerator cooling, 9 hours of electric fan use. Safety is built into the DJI Power 1000, from its structure and cell chemistry to smart power management that preserves battery life even when off. It's always ready to use and backed by a 5-year warranty for peace of mind. The noise level of DJI Power 1000 is as low as 23 decibels during recharging, so there is no noise disturbance even in quiet environments. It is quieter than most electric fans and other everyday appliances. Specifications. How to pair. Press and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to turn the DJI Power 1000 on or off. Once powered on, the display screen will light up automatically. You can also press the power button once to control the display screen separately. Scan the QR code or download the DJI Home app from your phone's App Store. Android users can also get the APK file from DJI's official website. Just enable Install from unknown sources to complete installation. After downloading, open the app, enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone, then register or log in to your DJI account. In the app, tap Add Device to start searching. If needed, use the icon in the top right corner to switch the pairing device type. Once the Power 1000 appears, complete Bluetooth pairing, then connect it to Wi-Fi by entering your password. Finally, name your device, and you'll see the home page showing battery level, port usage, and connection status. How to charge. Plug into a standard AC wall outlet for the fastest charge. The DJI Power 1000 reaches 80% in just 50 minutes, making it ideal for quick top-ups. To charge with solar power, connect compatible solar panels to the DJI Power 1000 solar input port using the proper cable. Place the panels outdoors, angled toward the sun for maximum efficiency. Once sunlight is detected, charging starts automatically, and you can monitor progress on the display or through the DJI Home app. To charge with car power, connect the DJI Power 1000 to your vehicle's 12-volt outlet using the car charging cable. Start the engine to supply a steady current, and the station will begin charging automatically. This is a convenient way to recharge while driving or traveling. How to use. Press and hold the power button for more than 2 seconds to turn it on. The display will light up, showing battery level and available ports. Use the appropriate output ports: AC sockets for appliances, USB-C and USB-A for phones, tablets, and laptops. The station can power multiple devices at once. Check the display or use the DJI Home app to view battery status, port usage, and connection details. You can also turn outputs on or off and adjust settings remotely. Firmware update. Open the DJI Home app on your phone and connect it to the Power 1000. Ensure the station is powered on, charged, and connected to Wi-Fi. In the app, go to Device Settings, tap Firmware Update, and select Update. The device may restart during the process. Don't power it off or exit the app. If you have expansion batteries or a superfast charger connected, the app can update their firmware at the same time. Before starting, disconnect all other electrical devices to ensure the update runs smoothly. First, power off the station. Hold the AC and power buttons together until the USB-C icon blinks on the screen. Connect the station to your computer with a USB-C cable, run DJI Assistant 2 Power Series, select your product, and choose the firmware version. The update will install automatically, and the station will restart once complete. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your DJI Power 1000 portable power station. See you in the next one.